How deep can you go if you're trying to create a little cricket in a trouble spot on a roof?
You can go 3-4 inches. You can go more if you want, but for a cost effective standpoint, it seems that once you go past the 3-4 inch, you're not really gaining much in insulation value.
And just out of curiosity, those insulation value aside, how strong is it? Could you go 6 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches before the material itself couldn't really be structurally there?
For like, you're talking like just standing on it. You could go. We did a roof up in Boulders a couple years ago. Well, we didn't do the original roof, but we started tearing this thing off, and it was, I want to say it was 12 inches foam. And we had no idea. Like, usually you core it, but for whatever reason, they didn't core it. I think maybe a storm was coming in to check. And the tear-off guy calls me. And it was,
we need more dumpsters. 40 yards not going to be enough.
Unbelievable how much was on there.